A diesel machine is an internal combustion machine that uses the heat generated by the compression of air to enkindle the energy, rather than counting on spark enmeshments as in gasoline machines. Diesel machines are considerably used in buses, heavy machinery, vessels, and power generators due to their effectiveness and durability. Cylinder block, the main structure of the machine that houses the cylinders. Pistons move up and down inside the cylinders to compress air and transmit force. Cylinder head located on top of the cylinder block containing the input and exhaust gates. Crankshaft converts the piston's up and down movement into rotational movement. Energy injection system delivers energy directly into the combustion chamber. Turbocharger increases machine effectiveness by forcing more air into the cylinders. Camshaft controls the opening and closing of input and exhaust gates. Intake stroke. Air is drawn into the cylinder. Compression stroke. The piston compresses the air, adding to its temperature. Power stroke. Energy is injected into the hot air, causing a controlled explosion that pushes the piston down. Exhaust stroke. The exhaust gases are expelled from the cylinder. This process repeats for each cylinder in a sequence. Fuel efficiency. Diesel engines are more energy effective than gasoline engines because they compress air to a higher degree. Torque. They produce higher torque, making them ideal for heavy-duty operations. Durability. Diesel engines are designed to withstand high pressures, making them long-lasting. Energy density. Diesel fuel has a higher energy density than gasoline, providing better mileage. Automotive, trucks, buses, and some passenger vehicles, industrial, generators, construction equipment, and agricultural machinery, and marine. Ships and submarines use large diesel engines. Aviation. Certain small aircraft rely on diesel engines. Regularly change the engine oil and filters. Check and clean the fuel injectors. Monitor and replace the air filter when necessary. Check for proper turbocharger functionality. Ensure proper cooling system operation to prevent overheating. Diesel engines are valued for their power, reliability, and cost-effectiveness in various industries. Understanding their basics helps in better maintenance and performance optimization.